Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making stuffed potato balls, which is papa rellena. To make la papa rellena, we're gonna use picadillo, which is the ground beef. We cooked this picadillo in another video, so I will put in the link under this one so you can watch that video to make the picadillo. That can also be done the day before. Besides the picadillo, we will need at least 8 to 10 medium-sized potatoes. I couldn't fit them here, but this is the size of the potatoes that I'm using, and I cut them in half, and I'm using 8 potatoes. You can do 8 to 10 medium-sized potatoes. If you're using the very large potatoes, I would just do 6. We're also gonna need an egg, salt, pepper, garlic, oil for frying, and also I have half a cup of cornstarch and half a cup of flour, all mixing here. The first thing that I'm going to do is boil the potatoes. We can boil the potatoes with the skin. If they're too large, you want to cut them in half. That way it doesn't take too long to cook. It might take about 30 minutes if you don't cut them in half. I'm probably going to get away with maybe 10-15 minutes of cooking with a cover. First, I wash very good the potatoes. And I place them here in a deep pot. So you can add enough water to cover them. And set the heat medium-high, cover, and let it cook for at least 15 minutes, and then you can check and see if they're thoroughly cooked in the middle by using a fork. My potatoes took about 25 minutes. It depends on the size of the potato. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to peel the skin off the potato. They're easy to come off. Also, with the help of 2 napkins, you grab your potato and the skin comes right off. By using the napkin technique, I did not have to wait until they're totally cool. But if you feel more comfortable, just wait about 5 minutes until they're cool enough so you can handle them better. Now we're going to mash. As you can see, they're nice and firm, and that's the reason why we cook these potatoes with the skin on. We don't want a lot of moisture when we're forming the potato ball. These potatoes took a little longer. I was using the Yukon golden potatoes. So they did take about almost half an hour. I'm going to add the salt, pepper, and garlic. Now this is ready, and I'm just going to wait until it cools off more so we can form the potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of color to the flour. That's optional. You don't have to. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get some of that flour in my hands. And make a nice ball. See how firm the potato is. The potato balls are ready to be fried. Potato balls are better if you form them in the morning and then put them in the fridge. In the afternoon or 4 or 5 hours later, you want to start frying them. They will become more firm if they go in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. Okay, I'm going to put in the potato bowl. Just be careful when you do this so you don't get burned with the hot oil. I can see it's starting to turn brown, so I'm going to make a turn with the help of these 2 utensils. It's been about 3 minutes after I turned the potato. So I'm going to remove it. And you want to place it in a plate with paper towels. This is the finished potato ball. I'm going to cut it in half so you can see how it looks inside. Look how delicious it is. Mmm, delicious. I'm going to add hot sauce on my next piece. It's just so delicious. And this hot sauce that we like is very mild in taste. I want to show you the hot sauce that I like. It's mild. It's so good. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.